Just got up, got some rest. We're gonna get our first reactions at a car. Hey, babe, you in the garage?
Yeah.
Okay, first reactions. Come see the car. The bugs, so all those Chevy signs, huh? The bugs got on the windshield and blew it yesterday. Pretty clean. I paid $500 for it. They got a deal.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. It's a nice SEMA shirt. You been to SEMA before?
I have.
Nice. Did he? Oh, you can see underneath him. Let's go and take a.
It looks really good.
Oh, this is beautiful. Well, that is clean. You can eat off that thing. That opened easy. Let me see. Oh, that is nice.
You're in my way.
Oh.
Oh, but come back. I can't get up.
Sit in it. What are you waiting for? How I feel.
Like you just lost your fucking car.
Shit. You like it? Heater work.
Oh, you can sit next to me while I drive.
I ain't letting no punk.
Here, let me pull out running.
No, what type of shit is this? This is beautiful. Let the top down. You see how power top?
Do I need to put the key in?
No, you shouldn't.
Okay, it says top. What do I do?
Press it, pull it, do something.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's a
Oh, that is you can really see.
you done fucked up.
I lost my car, baby.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, this is,
Automatic.
and it's a brand new,
Look, reverse is the end.
it's a brand new boot.
That's different. I'm not used to that.
Honk the horn, give it a little honk.
Right here?
I don't know, press the silver thing.
Oh, that's cute.
It's a brand new boot in the trunk too. Oh, this is nice. I almost don't want to touch it.
Because you're not. It's mine.
I almost don't want to do anything to it. Wow. The trunk is rubber mat is new, the spare tire new, color match the car, interior bay is clean.